Hey everyone, Tom here again, here in Manassas, Virginia. Really excited. Manassas is my hometown. I'm here partnering with a local real estate agent at RE/MAX who's working with their client who took advantage of our win-win home selling system. So you remember, with our win-win home selling system, we make updates to improve the value of the home where we pay for everything with our own money and we don't get paid until the house sells. So the seller and the agent, they don't come out of pocket a penny. So come on and let's take a look. This is a big house. We're on about 6 acres. We're in the Riverview Estates neighborhood. So this is a really big project, a lot going on. So as we walk into the entry right away, you'll notice we have some oak hardwood floors here. We're going to be refinishing these hardwood floors. They're in good shape. They just need a little bit of TLC. And then as we come in over here to the right, you have a living space right here. We're going to bring in hardwood through here, all the way through, so when we sand and refinish everything, everything's going to match. Like we do on most homes, we're going to be painting everything. Light gray walls, white trim, white ceiling. It's going to look really great when we're done. So again, taking care of all that flooring. Then we come into the dining area to the left of the entry. Really good sized dining room here, so you got plenty of space in here. So again, everything getting painted, refinished, putting in new light fixtures to just bring that up to date. And then as we walk through the dining room, we have a really good sized kitchen here. We're actually going to be blowing this whole kitchen out. We're going to be getting rid of these cabinets. We're going to be putting in new white shaker cabinets. And then we're going to be replacing these countertops with quartz countertops. We're going to have brand new appliances, and we're actually going to continue the hardwood floors all the way through on this main level. So we've just decided to keep with the hardwood look. So this is going to be awesome to just completely redo it. And you have really a lot of cabinets too. You have a great big pantry over here. So all of this is going to get replaced. All these cabinets with new hardware, and then putting in the new countertops as well. As we kind of swing around back over here to the side, off of the kitchen, we actually have a powder room. So as you come and take a look at this powder room, we're going to be putting in a new vanity, new countertop, new mirror, new light, getting this all painted. So this is going to be completely redone when we're done with it. And then you have a 2-car garage, you have a laundry on the main level, which is nice as well. But then we can kind of come in and take a look at the other side of this house. Really nice family room, really nice stone fireplace. So again, putting in the hardwood floors, replacing all of the light fixtures and recessed lights with new LEDs, painting everything. It's going to look really nice. You actually you could use this as a bedroom or an office, which is really nice depending on what your needs are here in the main level. We'll be finishing this off. And then you actually have a bathroom in here that's not complete, so we're going to come in and complete this. Just, standard standing shower, but we're missing a vanity, so we're going to put the vanity in and just get this finished so that you have a full bath on the main level, which is nice. Again, you can use it as an office, or if someone needed to use this as a bedroom on the main level, they could do that as well. You got to check out this view real quick. I don't know that you're going to be able to see it from this video. But we're actually on just about 6 acres. We're right by the Aquapon. And we're all the way in the back of this neighborhood. And can't really tell with the light right now, but beyond these trees, we're right on the water. We have a dock way down there. That's a dock that goes with this property. It's just gorgeous. It's super peaceful out here right now. And you even have the shed that has power right here, so you kind of have a boathouse or a workshop. Maybe if you're an artist, it'd be a good place to kind of work on your art or do something. So really cool, really big deck, but not really doing anything outside. Actually, what we are doing is the roof needs to be replaced on this house. This is actually a discontinued roofing shingle where the manufacturer doesn't make it anymore. And you'll see kind of in some of the rooms we have some water that's gone in. So we're going to be replacing this whole roof. Obviously we want to protect the interior of the home. Super important before you do anything to make sure you preserve everything. So let's go walk upstairs. And going in upstairs, we actually have 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. And we're going to be doing some updates there. So we'll be replacing all of the carpet upstairs, putting in brand new carpet. And as you kind of walk up, you have your 3 bedrooms. So 3 bedrooms on this side. So again, just carpet, paint. We're actually going to be putting in, you can see it's kind of dark. It's hard to light the rooms when you don't have any light fixtures. So we're going to be putting in ceiling fans in these rooms just to make it easier to light. But there's pretty straightforward with those. And then these 3 bedrooms share this hall bath, which is nice because this hall bath actually has a dual vanity. So we're going to be replacing this vanity with a brand new vanity, putting in the quartz countertop, replacing the mirror, replace the light. Take a look. If you swing over here, we have a tub in here. We're just going to be cleaning up the tile, regrouting it, like you've seen us done on previous homes. Instead of ripping out the tile, not necessary for what we're trying to achieve here, so we're just going to be cleaning that all up so it's going to look nice and new when it's done. Same thing with the floor. We'll be cleaning all this grout. It'll look nice and clean. All the tile's in good shape. It just needs to be cleaned up. And then as we walk over to the side, we have a really nice size master bedroom. It actually has 3 closets. There's a closet over here, and you'll see in a second there's 2 as we go to the other side. Again, just cleaning this up, painting, new carpet, and it's going to look great when it's done. We're going to be replacing all the door hardware too. We have all the brass hardware, so we're going to be putting in brushed nickel hardware on all of these doors throughout the house. So again, 2 closets over here, which is nice. And then we have a really nice sized master bathroom. And same thing here. It's about where can we spend our money to get the maximum return on investment. Sure, I would love to come in and gut this and put in a freestanding tub, but it's really not necessary. I mean, we can leave some things for the new owner to decide what they want to do. So what we're going to do is we're just going to be cleaning the tile. We're going to put in a new shower door. This definitely, we want to get this replaced. And the same thing, you have 2 vanities here. We're going to be replacing these vanities, putting in new vanities, new quartz countertop, new mirrors, new light fixtures. It's going to look great when it's done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really excited about this project. Stay tuned for some updates. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message or give us a call or text us at 703-215-2144, and we'd be happy to chat. Thanks so much.